I get to, let's make the actors do this real quick. Jesse and TJ, would you mind doing this thing? Cool. We're all going to turn our videos off, so it's just going to be the two of you up, and I'll explain as we go. But right now, your lines are 1, 2, and 3. One of you will say 1, the other will say 2, the other will say 3, the other will say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, back and forth. Okay.
1,
2,
3,
1,
2,
3,
1,
2,
3,
1,
2,
3.
1.
Thank
2,
you. Hang on a
3.
second. Cool.
1.
Good, 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 good. Now, Jesse, let's say you're number 1 in this time to start. And instead of the number 1, would you do like just a sound? And then TJ will say 2, then you'll say 3, and then TJ has to do that same sound. Whenever you're ready.
Merp.
2,
3,
merp,
2,
3,
merp,
2,
3,
merp,
2,
3,
merp.
2.
Awesome.
3.
Awesome. You're going to start again.
Merp.
Keep that you keep that merp for number 1, and TJ, give it a different sound for number 2.
Merp.
Blah.
3.
Merp,
Bleh.
3,
Merp.
blah.
3.
Merp,
Bleh.
3,
Merp.
blah.
Oh,
3.
you guys are very good at this.
Merp.
You are so
Bleh.
good at this. Thank you. We're going to do it again, and Jesse, you get to give a
Sound.
different sound for 3 even. Okay, keep the burp and keep the blah.
Merp.
Blah.
Ah.
Merp.
Bleh.
Oh!
Merp.
Blah.
Ah.
Merp.
Bleh.
Oh!
Merp.
Blah.
Ah.
Awesome.
Merp.
Awesome. Very good. Let's all pop our videos back on. Thank you. Very good. Very good. Now, these are seasoned professional MFA actors, and that looked good. That looked really good. And they're in a cohort together. They're studying. They're doing this thing. It's not going to look that good in every classroom and in every discipline, but it's an interesting thing to think about. And it doesn't have to be sounds. In a physical room, I'm going to do a sound and a gesture. Blah, 2, 3, blah, 2, 3, blah. And if you can start to get a rhythm and that sort of thing, and there's a whole game you can play with it. What if 2 of you that said that you sing well, I know Kara, you sing well, and Larry, you have the voice of an angel. Would the 2 of you be willing to try this? Just doing the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 in your own breakout room and replace them with notes. So you come back doing 3 notes in a row in a flow, and you'll have 3 minutes to get over there, make it happen, practice a little bit. It's not going to be great. Don't worry about it. Bring it back. And Jesse and TJ, keep exploring. Go in there and I don't know, do your weird actory stuff and make some strange connections. And Chris and Ann, what would you want to do instead of singing? Anything. It can be those higher numbers. You could do your own. What if it's by 6s? 6, 12, 18, 6, 12, 18, 6. I don't know. Maybe you expand it to not just 3. It's not 1, 2, 3. It's up to 7 or something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It just has to be an odd number so that you are different each time. So try it with a different thing, with an extension to it. See what you figure out. We'll give you 4 minutes. Let's give everybody 4 minutes, TJ. And if you feel good about it, come on back earlier. Hi, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Awesome. Cool. Who wants to share what they made.
That's it.
You just had to get it out.
Yep, I just had to get it out.
Awesome. That's really cool. And there was something going on like on my audio. Like I didn't hear TJ's as well, but maybe it's like this mic instead of the computer mic or something. But it was, you could start to make things together. That's cool. That's really cool. And it doesn't have to be in pairs. It can be in any number.
Hey,
Hi.
okay, fire away.
Done.
Done,
Done.
done,
Done.
done,
Done.
done,
Done.
done,
Done.
done.
Yeah. Give some snaps for that. Beautiful voices. Thank you. Thank you. Chris and Ann, you got something cool going on. Will you do it for us?
Are we doing twos? 2,
4,
6,
8,
10,
2,
4,
6,
8,
10,
2,
4,
6,
8,
10,
2,
Nice.
4.
Very nice. We'll come back in. Good job. Good job. Okay. So you did it by twos. You did it by multiples of 2. You could do it by multiples of anything, and you could just find something interesting. It can have any number of numbers, as long as the number of numbers is odd. The number you start with, it doesn't have to be multiples of an odd number. And so it would be changing for each of us each time. And then you could start replacing those numbers with sounds or with song. Some ways into math is music, and some ways into music is math. And we're just throwing out ideas to make this platform accessible.